Stay. Wait. 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 Come. This way. Come on, this way. Come. Good girl. Leave. Come on. Got a stick. Got a stick. What have you got? Another stick. Leave it. This way. Wait. Get out of those thorns that you're doing there. They'll stick to you. They'll stick to you. Yep. You good girl. Hey, you good girl. Walk all the way around there, I think. Back round. Yeah. Yep. What? Where is it? Go find it. Where is it? What have I done with it? What have I done with it? What have you got it? You got a stick that I didn't throw? You got a stick that I didn't throw? Look at this, Ellie Boo. Look at it. This is brilliant. Come on. Good girl. Wee-wees! Needed a wee-wees! Come here, out! I'm not going looking for water. Not in that puddle, young lady. Forget it. Come on. Not in the puddle. No, no. Ellie, out. You bloody monster. Come here. Come here, gorgeous. Come here. Leave. They don't want you pestering them. No, leave. This way. Good girl. Leave. Ellie. Good girl. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? What is it? What is it? Hey? So this is all new, Dad. Come on. This way. This way. Good girl. So, here we are at the New Forest. Ellie's first walk in the New Forest. Brings back a few memories. Brought Honey out here a couple of times. It's been a few years though since I've been here. This is Ellie's first time and she's loving it. You loving it, Ellie? Hey? Is it good? A little bit of freedom? Hey? No doubt searching for mud and water and anything. Leave it. Anything else she can get her teeth stuck into. Mind those prickles. Nose to the ground, having a good sniff. Look how loyal she is, so she won't go very far. You won't go very far, my beautiful, will you? Eh? Oh look, aeroplane coming in. Ellie, come. Private jet. Come on, out. This way. Ellie, come. Ellie. Good girl. Come on, gorgeous. This way. She'll do you good, won't it? Come on, leave. This way. Is that good? Hey, is that good? Yeah? Nice bit of freedom. Come on then. Come here, gorgeous. This way. Come out. Good girl. Woo. Windy. Windy. Look at that view, Ellie. Look at that view out over there. Isn't that beautiful? Come on. move those out. I don't want to lose my keys, do I? Come here, sweetheart. I don't know what's down there. Come here. So it's quite steep down there. Come here, baby. Let's have a look first. Make sure it's not straight down or something stupid. Right, we're all right. Come on. We're over there, then we go down that track there, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Come here, baby. Not too far. Not in the babbling brook that I can see down there, you can forget it. Ooh. The babbling brook. Come on, gorgeous. Keep coming. This way. Good girl. Not too far. Wait for me. Come on, gorgeous. Come on. Come out of there. In case there's any snakes. Come on. Good girl. No. Ellie, come in here. You're going to have a wash off. Come here. Come on. What's this? That's it. Wash your foot off. Not too far. Come on, not too far. Come out now. You've got a stick. Come on, this way. Come out of the mud. That's it, this way. Don't shake as you... No, out! I said, come on. This way. No. Oh, get back in there and not through the mud. Come on, this way, Ellie. This way. This way. Ellie, this way. Come. No, no. Move it. No, go. No, no, and no. No. Leave it. Come here. No, no, no. No. No, and no. You've had a swim. Now you're going to have a wash when you get home, aren't you? This way. Trust you to find the bamboo brook. Come here, not too far. Look at you. You're not supposed to be swimming, it was supposed to be a walk. Not in the middle of the forest. Come here. Come here. We don't know what this is. Ellie, come. Hey, come here. Come here. Ellie, come here. This way. Come here. Yeah, this way. Come on. Out of the water. Forget it. No. No. Out. Come, not in there, no. Forget it. No. No. Over this side. Over this side. That's it. Good girl. No, no, and no. Oh, we must have come up from up there then. Yeah. We must have come from all the way from over there, look, Ellie. Yeah, not you. You're not going back that way. Going this way. Look at this. This is awesome. What? Go get it. Where's it gone? Where is it? Come here. Don't go in there. Go get it. Where's it gone? Where is it? Where is it? Leave that. Where is it? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Is that it? Is that your stick? Is that a stick? You've got a stick. This way. Oh, what's that? You got a prickle up your bum. Go get it. Where is it? Where is it? Hey, where's it gone? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's it gone? Go find it. Go find it. Where is it? Where is it gone? Where's it gone? Look at that tail. Look at that tail. Where is it? Where's it gone? Come here, Ellie. Ellie. Wait. Sit. Wait. 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 Ellie. Sit and wait. 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 All right, off you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Where is it? What's this? Go get it. Where's it gone? Where is it? Where's it gone? Find it. Where is it, beautiful? Where is it? This way? This way? This way? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Hey? Where's it gone? Find it. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? What's this, Ellie? What's this in here, Ellie? Where is it? Go find it. Go find it, girl. Go find it. There's a stick. Stick. Where's this? Where's this going? Go find it. Where is it? Go find it. Go find it. It's in here. It's in here, sweetheart. Go find it. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where is it? Where is it? Find it. Find it. It's over there. It's over here somewhere. It's over here. Go find it. Come on, find it. Where is it? Find that stick. Where is it? Where is it? Yay! Clever girl. Clever girl. Come here then. Come here, Ellie. Come, stay. Wait. Wait. Don't lay in that bloody horse. Ugh. You're slobber everywhere. Ready. Go find it. Where's it gone? Where is it? Good girl. Bring it back then. Careful with it in your mouth. Good girl. Good girl. Up the hill. This way, come on. Come on, this way. Come on. You're a good girl. Hey, is this all good fun, sweetheart? Hey? Yes, Dad, and I like this. I like this. Yes, I do. Come on. Is it good? Hey, is this good? Come on, out of there. Wait for me. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, come on. This way. Good girl. Hey. Love it, don't you? Hey. This is life, isn't it? Yes, it is. This is what life's all about. Come on. We back now. We see nothing there. It's just fern. Wait for me. Wait for me, baby. Not too far. Go on. Wait for me. Okay. Found a nice little spot there to sit, have we? Hey? Come on, out there. Could be anything in there. Come on. Wow, this way, gorgeous. Going this way. Come on. Wait for me. Come on, this way. Good girl. Loves it, doesn't she? Is it good fun, sweetheart? Hey? Is this what life's all about? This is what I imagined when I got you. This is what I imagined when I got you. Come on. Leave it. Good girl. Soon dried off, didn't you? Hey? Who's a good girl? Hey? Who's a good girl? Look at that, Ellie Boo. Look at that for a view. Hey, look at that for a view. Come on, out. Come on. Way back now. It's just an old tree stump and a bit of old fern. Good girl. Wait a minute. Come this way. This way. This way. Good girl. Ellie. Ellie. Come on. Ellie. This way. Hey. Ellie. Leave it. Come out. Too late, Dad, I'm out. This way, come on. Not too far. Wait for me. Good girl. Come on, this way. This way, come on. Good girl. Come here. This way. That bloody pumping station. Come on, this way. It's a bit big for you to carry, that one. Wow, look at this. Get out the mud. This way, out of the water. It bloody is as well, look. Out. Come here. Can hear a car. Out. No. No. Oh, this way, Ellie, by the looks of it. Take a left, it says. This way, Ellie. Come here. the brook here anyway. Come here. Find something to at least wash you off, clean water. Trust you to find the dirtiest bit of water that you could find. This way. This way. Somebody's having a bath when they get home then. Wait. Wait for me. Wait. Come here. Come here. This way. Come here. Ellie. Wait. Look at the state of you. Guess who's having a bath when she gets home?
Me again.
She found the mud, didn't she? Yo. What? You are naughty. Oh, crikey, nearly fell over there, nearly be. Guess who's having a bath when they get home? Look at the state of that dog. She's supposed to be white on the bottom, not liver. This way. What's this? What's this? Go find it. Go find it. Where is it? Find it. It's over there. This way. Go find it. Where is it? Where's it gone? Where's that stick? Where is it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Good girl. Come here then. Stay. Leave. Leave. Ready. Go find it. Where'd it go? Where is it? Find that stick. Find that stick. Where's it go? Where is it? Find it. Yay. Good girl. Come here then. Come here. Leave. Leave. Ready. Go find it. Where is it? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where is it? Where's it gone? Where is it? It's in here somewhere. It's in here. Go find it. Where is it? It's in here somewhere. See if you can find it. In here. Where is it? Where is it? Is it in here somewhere? Sure it went in here somewhere. You found it? Good girl.